Hey friends, let's jump straight in. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for the song, we're basically using 4 chords all the way through, except for the last part where we're just doing a key change and we're just moving up a tone. So we'll be using the A, C sharp minor 7 and a B, and then he goes to the E, and I'll talk you through the chords first. So we have, it's a C-shaped bar chord. We've got the 7th fret on the A, 6 on the D, 4 on the G and 5 on the B. It's just what he does with the strums. He changes every now and then. So we have A, mute, the A or palm mute there, C sharp minor 7 to B, to our E chord 2 times, do a down up. Do that 2 times. C sharp minor 7 B to our E, and again A, palm mute, C sharp minor 7 to B, then do 2 mutes and go to our E 2 times. Then we're going back to the A, we're going to do an up mute, back to the C sharp minor 7 to the B, 2 on the E again, and do the A the same, A, up mute, C sharp minor 7. Now with the B, we're going to play it 3 times, just do 3 down strums. Back to the E there, and we do that last part 4 times. So 4 times there, and that's our intro. So for our verse, same chords again, but this time we're going to do an A, we're going to do down, up, down, mute to our C sharp minor 7, to our B, B again to our E 2 times. Back to the A the same, down, up, down, palm mute, C sharp minor 7, then to the B and 3 down strums. Back to the E 2 times, and we do that part twice. So E. And the last one we're doing the A again, down, up, down, mute, C sharp minor 7 to the B, jump to the E, and we're just going to do it 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's our verse there. So now for our chorus, we're going back to the intro with the A, palm mute, C sharp minor 7 to the B 3 times, to the E 2 times. Then the second time through, just play the A, palm mute, C sharp minor 7, B, to our E 2 times. Then go back to the first one 2 more times, palm mute to the B, E, and that's our chorus there. So then we have our solo rhythm. It's nearly exactly the same as the chorus, and we'll do all the solos at the end. So we just have the A, down, up, down, mute, C sharp minor 7, B, and then to our E. Do that 3 times. So 3 times there. The last one, do the A the same, do the C sharp minor 7 and stop on the B for the last one, and we'll do our solos at the end. So for our next chorus, we're actually starting on the E chord and just do 6 downs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Play the A, mute to our C sharp minor 7, to the B 3 times, back to the E. And we just repeat that 8 times there from the A. 8 times there, and that's our next chorus. So for our bridge, we're just doing the A, up, down, mute, C sharp minor 7, to the B, 3 downs, to the E. Do that 3 times, and then the 4th time we're going to do the A the same. Mute, C sharp minor 7, to the B. Then we're moving everything up a tone. So we're going to do our C-shaped bar chord normally on the E. We're now doing it on the F sharp, so just move it all up 2 frets and 6 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's our key change there. So for our outro now, we're just playing the B, palm mute, then we're coming up to a D sharp minor 7. So it's all exactly the same, just come up 2 frets, back to a C sharp, down, 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 to our F sharp. Now we just keep repeating this last line to the end. We have the B, down, mute, up to the D sharp minor 7, to the C sharp, down, 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 and then our F sharp, and just keep repeating that line to the end. So there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solos. So we have these fills in the second chorus, B string 12th fret, bend and release. And then bend 11 G, hold 12 on the B, and just play 11 G. And then we have bend and release on 11, pull off to 9 on the G, and D 11 9. And there are our little fills there for the second chorus. Now we have these little fills in the last chorus before we have the key change. We're going to do bend on the 12B, and then bend on the 12E. So we're going to start bending on 11G, holding 12B, do it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 7, then do it again. Then do 9, hammer onto 11 on the G, back to 9G. Then do the 11 and the 12 bending on 11 again 4 times. 2, 3, 4, then just bend 11 on the G, play 9, 11, and then back to the 9 again. Then we have 9 on the A and the D, hammer onto 11. D and G, 9 2 times. 11, pull off to 9 on the G, bend 11, play 9, 12 on the B, do a bend and release on 11G, 9, back to D, 11, 9, then bend on 12 on the B 3 times. The third one, do a bend and release, and then 10, then do a bend and release on 11G, 9 and 11. And that's the main solo there. Now let's have a look at the outro solo. So let me just talk you through this last solo because it's quite long, and we've got the key change here. So we're going to do the bend on 13G, hold 14B 6 times, 5, 6, and then just play 11G. Then we have 14 on the B, bend, play 14, bend, and then 11 on the D, release 13 on the G, so bend up, release it, 11, hammer onto 13, Then we have 11 slide to 13 on the D, 11G 2 times, back to 13D, 11G, 13D, 11G 2 times, 13D, 11G, 13D. And then we're just bending the 13 on the G, bend and release, 13G, 11D. Then we have 14 slide to 16 on the B, E 14 2 times, 16B, 14 on the E, bend 16 on the E, then release the bend, and then we're going to bend 17 with a bend and release, bend and release. Back to 14 on the E, B, 16, 14, 14 slide up to 16, E, 14, 14B, 16, back to E, 14, and then 16, bend and release again, play 16. So that last little part there, and then release the 16, B, 16, 14, jump to 13 on the G, do a bend, 11, D, 13, 11, A, 13, and then we're going to do 11 slide to 13, and again. And then we have the E string, we're going to have 11 hammer onto 14, the A string, 11 hammer onto 13, the D, 11, G, 11, 13 on the D, slide from 11 to 13 on the D, play 13G, 13D, on the G string, 11 hammer onto 13, back to 11 and 13D, then we jump into 14E, bend 13 on the G, and 11, and do that again, 14 on the B, this time bend and release, pull off to 11 on the 13G, 13, 11, 13 on the D, 11, 13 on the G. Then on the D, 11 hammer onto 13, 13G, 13D, 11G. Then we're doing 14 slide to 16 again on the B, and then bend 16, hold 14 on the E, just play 16 and 14, do 14 2 times on the E, B, 16, 14, 16, bend 16E, and then 14, 16, bend the 16 again, and then we jump into 18, do 2 bends, and then bend and release, 18, bend, 16, and then 19 on the B. And then we have a little slide up and play 14 on the B, hammer onto 16, E, 14, 14, bend 16, and then we just have 14, 14, 14, and we're just going to repeat that. There, then we're going to bend on the 18, bend and release on the 16, play 14, back to B, play 14, 14, bend 14, 11, G, bend 13, and play 11 on the G. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed It's in the Way You Use It, guitar lesson by Eric Clapton. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 70s and 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.